Friend, it's highly likely that you're watching this video because you feel ugly, unloved, or even unwanted. I want to speak some truth deep, deep into your heart today, and I hope you'll give me a few minutes and listen to what I had to say. Hi friend, if we haven't met yet, my name is Tshanina, and I'm so honored that you've stopped by to watch this video. One of my favorite stories to read out of this Bible is the story of Rachel, Leah, and Jacob. Rachel and Leah are sisters, and Rachel is beautiful, but Leah, the Bible says, has weak eyes, and that means that she was ugly. So when Jacob comes into the picture, he decides that he wants to marry the beautiful Rachel. He works 7 years for Rachel, but on their wedding night, the dad is deceitful and he gives him Leah. He has to work another 7 years to be able to marry Rachel. And as you can imagine, being in that marriage would make you feel like a third wheel if you were Leah, because she was unwanted and unloved and ugly. And I want to read to you a little excerpt out of this Bible of what she says. "No one loves me," Leah said. "I'm too ugly." But God didn't think she was ugly. And when he saw that Leah was not loved and that no one wanted her, God chose her to love her specially, to give her a very important job. One day, God was going to rescue the whole world through Leah's line. Friend, just because this was written to Leah or about Leah, God says the same about you. He sees you. He loves you, even though it feels like no one else wants you or loves you. And then he has a very important job just for you too. God used Leah. It says he was going to rescue the whole world through her. What does that mean? Well, if you read through the genealogy of Jesus in the book of Matthew, you'll see that Jesus came from the line of Judah. Who was Judah? It was one of Leah's sons. God did use her to save the world. He had a very important job for her. And he has a very important job for you too today, friend. If you're feeling ugly, if you're feeling unloved or unwanted, know that he sees you, he loves you, and he wants to use you.